Hello family, today let's talk about the assets that can truly make Ghanaians and Africans in general rich. These aren't shortcuts or fantasies. They are assets that grow, pay again and again, and can change families when they are built intentionally. The people who build lasting wealth all share something in common. They own assets, not just income. So let's walk through the assets that create real financial strength, how they work, and simple entry points you can start from, even if you feel like you are starting small. Number 1 is business. It's one of Ghana's biggest wealth drivers because you are not limited by salary. A small poultry farm that begins with just about 100 birds can grow to thousands. A woman who starts blending spices and packaging them neatly can move from selling to friends and family to supplying supermarkets and even for export. Someone who creates a mobile money business, then adds bill payments, then adds a small photocopy shop, one idea building on another. The shift happens when a business stops depending on your presence and starts relying on systems, trained workers, clear processes, trusted suppliers, repeat customers. That's when income becomes scalable. Start by asking, what daily problem can I solve better, faster, cheaper, or more conveniently? Solve that repeatedly, and you are building wealth. Number 2 is real estate. It grows slowly and then suddenly. Someone buys 2 plots beyond town because they are affordable. Development spreads, light comes, roads improve, house price rise. The value multiplies without the owner lifting a finger. Real estate gives you 2 advantages: appreciation, value increases over time, and then cash flow, rent that continues coming in. Practical options in Ghana include student hostels near universities, small 2-bedroom rentals in developing communities, storefronts in high-traffic areas, short-stay apartments for travelers and business visitors. The secret isn't chasing hot deals, it's due diligence, patience, and location research. Real estate rewards people who prepare early, even if they start modestly. Number 3 is paper assets that allow your money to grow quietly in the background. Examples include shares in strong Ghanaian and international companies, mutual funds and index funds, treasury bills and bonds, pension schemes and investment trusts. Think of someone investing a little monthly for 10 to 15 years. They are quietly building a safety net and wealth cushion. The power here is compounding. Your interest earns interest, and your dividends buy more shares. The key principles are: start small but stay consistent. Diversify. Don't put everything in one place. Think long term, not quick profits. Paper assets create stability, especially when business income goes up and down. Investing in shares also carries some risk because prices can rise and fall quickly. If a company performs badly, you could lose part or all of your money. Returns and dividends aren't guaranteed, so it's wise not to invest more than you can afford to lose. Before we continue, please take a second to subscribe and turn on notifications. Let's build a community focused on smart wealth strategies for Ghana and Africa. Number 4 is commodities. Commodities anchor wealth in something that is real. Ghana's major commodities include gold, cocoa, timber, cashew, shea butter, oil, and growing agricultural products for export. You don't need to mine gold yourself to benefit. You can invest in gold-backed savings products, join cooperative agricultural ventures, build small processing businesses like groundnut paste or coconut oil, buy produce in bulk and supply to larger buyers. Value addition is where profit multiplies. Selling raw materials leave money on the table. Processing increases margin and creates jobs. Commodities protect wealth when currencies fluctuate and prices rise globally. Number 5 on our list is time, the asset that decides how all the others develop. When someone uses their evenings to watch tutorials, build a small side hustle, plan investments, improve a skill, their future gradually shifts. Meanwhile, someone else uses that same time on distractions and wonders why nothing changes. Time invested becomes knowledge, better decisions, opportunities, and money. Treat your time like capital. Spend it where it grows your future, not just your comfort today. Number 6 is your health. Health is the engine behind wealth. Business ideas, investments, and plans collapse when health breaks down, and medical costs can drain everything. Simple, consistent habits matter. Regular movement and exercise, balanced meals, stress management, avoiding constant late nights, regular medical checkups when and where possible. A healthy body lets you think clearly, work productively, take opportunities, and actually enjoy the wealth you build. Wealth isn't useful if you are too sick or stressed to live. Number 7 is online assets. The digital world has opened income beyond Ghana's borders. Online assets are powerful because they scale. Examples include YouTube channels and podcasts, blogs with ads or sponsored posts, digital products like ebooks or templates, e-commerce stores selling local items, online coaching or courses, email list, software tools and mobile apps. A Ghanaian chef shares cooking tutorials, brand deals soon will follow. A farmer documents their journey. Farm supply, companies start calling. A creative sells digital products. Income comes in even while they sleep. The internet rewards consistency and value, not perfection. Online assets continue to earn long after the original effort. And finally, your network. Your network multiplies everything else you build. Many business opportunities don't show up online. They move through conversations. A mentor introduces you to an investor. A friend shares a contract opportunity. A former colleague becomes a business partner. Networking is about trust, not begging. Practical ways to build it includes join industry groups, attend conferences and local business events, create genuine friendships, always deliver on your word, help others without always expecting something back. Your reputation becomes a door opener. Over time, your name carries weight and opportunities start finding you. Real wealth rarely comes from one single thing. It comes from layers of assets working together. A small business creating income, paper investments compounding, land appreciating, online platforms growing, health supporting energy, time invested wisely, a network opening doors. Build gradually, reinforce each layer. That's how families move from survival to stability to wealth. If this helped you think differently about building wealth in Ghana, share it with someone who needs a new direction. Tell me in the comments, which of these assets are you starting with and what's your plan? Thank you for watching. like, share, and subscribe. Wealth grows through consistent decisions, repeated over time, and your journey can begin today. See you in the next video.